mutambo zuva ranhasi chikwata cheodeni chadrosa nechijunior stars. Chikwata chejunior stars chakapinda munhandare kana kuti chaane nguva chiri mukati memutambo uyu. Isusu takapinda gore rinotiri vacho asi tinotenda zvaitika noda kwekuti vakomana vedu vashingirira mutambo wedu wechitatu, asi tinovimba kuti pane mamistakes atanga tichisangana nawo tichange tichigadzirisa. Vambenge vachivhunduka asi vakomana vakadziswa bhora zvazoita 0-0 zvedu, asi tinovimba kuti patichadzoka taapa home isusu tichakwanisa kukunda chikwata chejunior stars nokuti chikwata cheodeni tinoti zvese masmosmo
tisakona timu yakanaka ina kuipa elist ane 1 point takutanga kutaura takuenda mberi bhora tichiri kuseni ndoziva kuti tinotamba tinowina chete pamberi pejunior stars.
I think the match was fair from the onset. Playing on home, it being a local derby with our bigger brothers having lost the first derby, we were expecting them to come all arms to us. They came on and we managed to absorb their pressure. But overall, it was a fair share. They had their fair share of chances and they failed to convert. We had our fair chances, we failed to convert, and they gradually the match wore down. But I'm not saying it's a bad result, it's a fair result. Being on soil, some of our ladies is our first time playing over the crowds, but I'm happy we managed to get something.
I think it was a very good game today. I think today we overall played very well with our game plan. We really implemented what we trained during the week, and I'm happy that we finally have gotten our first point of the game, having lost 2 games. So we are just hoping that we can kick on from what we did today. I think we are gradually coming up. It's a new team. Probably needed about 3-4 games to find our rhythm, but I'm happy with the progress, and hopefully once we start getting points, we can start climbing up the ladder. Still early days, still 35-36 weeks to go, so there's no need to panic. I think we are gradually coming up, and I think we will eventually get it right.